So, hi everybody, a very good evening, good afternoon, good morning. How you doing? I'm Jessica Bani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as you can see, I'm back in one of the amazing places, which is my gym. One of the amazing places that I normally come to and stuff. And I'm not posted for a while on health and fitness. Live. So, what am I sharing here? I'm sharing here this outlook. We have so much of awareness on mental health and physical health and emotional health and stuff. So, what is more important? Is mental health more important? Is emotional health more important? Is physical health more important? If you've chosen one of those, well, it's not a wrong choice. But in my opinion, from my experience, what really matters is also your mental strength. Why am I talking about mental strength? Because in life you have so many challenges coming to you one after one. It doesn't have to be around work. It doesn't have to be around relationships. It doesn't have to be about leaving a city and going into a new city and stuff. It can be something around your health and stuff. And if you're going to constantly think only about mental health and stuff, you're going to become someone who's forever questioning what is healthy, what's not healthy. Experts, in my opinion, can give you a better idea. But for people who've been in fitness and stuff like that, in my opinion, like I said, from my experience, what's really important is also your mental strength. So come what may, whatever challenge comes your way, whatever illness comes your way, whatever injury comes your way, whatever health concern comes your way, you have a emotional concern, or you have a concern around your relationships, around traveling long term, long distance, change in office hours and stuff and all that. So how do you adjust and how would you kind of accommodate all of that without really changing your own stability and stuff? So emotional stability matters the most, but what comes above mental health is mental strength and willpower, because when you have challenges and obstacles coming your way one after one, and of course for people who are working and are in careers and they're balancing offices with homes, they're doing intercity travels, they're meeting people from different walks of life, they're doing factory visits, they are kind of doing business meetings, they are traveling different places, they are using different modes of transport, they are picking up their children, training their children, they're looking after pets, they are kind of into sports and stuff, they have a happening life, and maybe they have a business or an empire to manage and stuff. So in that case, it's not mental health always, it's also your mental stability which matters the most. So you have to have like a very strong mindset. No matter what issue or challenge comes your way, you have to overcome that. Let me share an experience with you. I think I've shared this that when I'm a little better, I'm going to do that. So I'm feeling much better and everything, though I may not look to a lot of people, but wherever I go, I do get, certain compliments and stuff like that. So in my opinion, I know how I'm feeling and stuff, but appearance does play a role. But the point is, when it comes to your mental health and to your recovery and stuff, like I said, having a strong mind matters more. Where, sometimes you may have medicines given to you and the medicines don't work on you, or they have an opposite reaction. I would like not to talk about it consistently with other people around my health and stuff, but I'm sharing this if somebody can benefit from it, which I've been doing for a long time on rock night doses and stuff like that. To me, what happened is, let me take you on to video 2 and help you on this, okay?